In this tutorial video, I'm going to go over how to make a custom color for your equations. When you have an equation, like let's say I have y equals x, I can click and hold on this color that's blue currently that has a wavy line, and it will give me some choices. It usually gives me these 6 standard colors, but down here I've already started to add some custom colors. So to make a custom color, I'm going to type in a variable I haven't used yet, like A, and I'm going to type A equals RGB in parentheses, and inside I'm going to copy paste an RGB color code. So in a separate tab, I Google searched RGB color picker, and I can drag this. I can also move this to find the color that I want. And so the color I'm going to go for is a blue for the windows in the house, in the Simpsons house. So I'm going to go with that one. And so down here, I'm going to choose or select this 3 sets of numbers or copy paste it. And I'll go over to my graph and I will then Control V or paste it there. And now I can change this equation that I made into my custom color. And that's how to do a custom color in Desmos.